Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use Uniswap with MetaMask. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. And before starting, make sure that you have your MetaMask installed, funded, and unlocked. And this helps you to trade tokens directly from your MetaMask wallet safely. So first, you will open your app.uniswap.org, and once you're here, you will click connect or connect wallet, and then what you will have to do is you will select MetaMask. So it should be right here if you've already installed it or whatsoever, or if your country actually supports it. And then you will select MetaMask, and then a pop-up will appear to approve that connection. And then after that, you will just have to ensure that the correct Ethereum account is selected, and you will just have to click next and then connect. Then you will have to click swap, and then you will choose the tokens that you would want to trade, which is right here. And then you will enter the amount, which is right here as well. And then you will finally approve that transaction in MetaMask and wait for the confirmation, and you will double check gas fees before confirming the swap. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.